Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the best drones with cameras on Amazon in 2026, whether for travel, aerial photography, or professional flying, this list will help you choose the right one. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best drones. I will cover product details, performance, pros, and final recommendation so you can easily decide. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Bwine F7GB2 Pro 4K Drone. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is a professional 4K UHD camera drone designed for long-range and long-flight performance. It features a 3-axis gimbal, 10,000 feet control range, and up to 75 minutes total flight time with 3 batteries. It also includes GPS follow, waypoint flying, orbit mode, auto return, and beginner mode. This drone is built for stability and long-distance aerial shooting. The axial gimbal ensures smooth and steady footage even in windy conditions. It is ideal for beginners and advanced users who want professional-level drone shots. Pros: 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal, up to 75 minutes flight time, long 10,000 feet control range, GPS follow and smart flight modes. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo DJI RC. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight and powerful 4K camera drone designed for beginners and travelers. It comes with 3 batteries for up to 114 minutes of total flight time, vertical shooting mode, and up to 10 kilometers video transmission range. It also includes a DJI RC controller for smooth control. This drone is extremely portable and easy to use. The camera produces high-quality 4K footage with excellent color and stability. It is one of the most beginner-friendly drones in the DJI lineup. Pros: high-quality 4K camera performance, ultra-light and portable design, up to 114 minutes total flight time, long 10 kilometers video transmission range. Number 3. Bingchat 2026 Upgraded Professional Drone. The Bingchat 2026 Upgraded Drone is a feature-packed 4K HD professional drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, anti-shake 3-axis gimbal, payload release system, and up to 5 miles range. It also offers 84 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries and strong wind resistance. This drone is designed for advanced users who want smart automation and strong stability. It performs well in challenging weather conditions and includes multiple intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Time-Lapse. Pros: 4K HD camera with 3-axis stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, long 5-mile control range, strong wind resistance, and smart flight modes. Number 4. DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo. The DJI Neo 2 comes with RC Motion 3 and goggles N3 for immersive FPV flying. It features stable digital transmission, 4K camera recording, and 3 batteries for extended flying sessions. This drone is focused on FPV and immersive flying experience. The motion controller and goggles make it feel like you are inside the drone. It is perfect for beginners who want an exciting first-person flying experience. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, 4K camera recording, stable digital transmission system, includes goggles and motion controller. Number 5. N11 Pro 4K GPS Drone. The N11 Pro is a 4K UHD GPS drone designed for beginners with smart features and long flight capability. It includes 90 minutes total flight time with 3 batteries, brushless motors, auto return, follow me mode, and long-range control with 5G FPV transmission. This drone is easy to fly and stable in the air, making it a good entry-level option for aerial photography. The GPS features help it keep safe and easy to control. Pros: 4K UHD camera quality, 90 minutes total flight time, GPS auto return and follow me, stable brushless motor system. If you want professional long-range performance, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro is a strong choice. If you want the best lightweight travel drone, the DJI Mini 3 is the top pick. If you want advanced features and extreme range, the Bingchat professional drone stands out. If you want immersive FPV flying, the DJI Neo 2 is perfect. And if you want an affordable beginner-friendly GPS drone, the N11 Pro is a great option. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals.